Today is May 25th, and it is 9:31 in the morning. I'm going to be getting my charts ready and stuff. Let me know if you're here in the comments. All right. All right. Alrighty. Let me get these charts loaded. Oh, Gamestop's at 183 already. Let's do. All right. Let's look at AMC. AMC's at 1379. All right. Let me share my screen. All right. I forget how to do this now. Okay. Window, share. All right. So the 1 minute candles. Let's go to 5 minutes. It's for GME. Let's see. Oops. GME's bounce around between 182, 183. That beautiful candle up there. Gorgeous. Today is going to be a great day. All right, let's look at AMC. Wow, AMC is looking beautiful as well. Look at that big old candle. Almost at $14 on AMC. $14 on AMC. What's up, Stuart? Thanks for coming. Oh, I just realized you can't see my screen. Oops. Look at that beautiful candle on AMC right there. Ooh, 1405. 1413 is the high for today so far. Oh, today's going to be a great day. It's only 9:34 in the morning, and it's already a great day. Look at this. I'm so excited. All right. GameStop. Let's look at GME. Ooh, 183, 184. The high for GameStop so far today was 184.71. Now it's 184.84. All right. So today is going to be a good day. Is everybody excited for today? Because I am. Put this on AMC. Wow, look at AMC's chart. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Woo. Today is going to be a great day. I'm going to go check out Weeble. Wow. Yeah. Looks like we got a big sell mountain on GME. You'll see this one. Big sell mountain. Let's look at AMC. Yep, big sell mountain. It's okay. 14.10 on AMC. My first time. I'm from England. Oh, I have a friend that's from England. I call him England. His name's Frankie, though. Well, welcome, Stuart. Oh, man, look at this price action. Today is going to be such a beautiful day. I mean, the volume is already 9 million on AMC, which is ridiculous. Let's look at the volume on GME real quick. GME's volume is 253,000. It's okay. AMC's volume is crazy. 14.15 on AMC. The high for the day on AMC is 14.20. Man, today is going to be a great day. Oh no, I'm signed out of everything. Sorry, I'm gonna go and look and see what I want to do real quick because I need to buy some more AMC and GME. I think I am going to buy let's buy some June 18th. By 216. Let's do GME trade options June 11th or June 18th. I mean, AMC. Holy crap! 14.32 on AMC. Every time I turn my head, it's up way more. All right, so let's do. It's May 28th. A couple days. It's an $18 call. Okay, so now I need to AMC. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to see what kind of option I want to buy for AMC today. I'm gonna buy a $16 call. These calls are starting to get expensive. I need to find a GME. All right, let's go check the price real quick. Hey, Stuart, what are you invested in? It's 185.71, 88 on Gamestop. Okay. Feeling it's about to be 186. Cool. 185.49 on GameStop. The high of the day is 186.50. AMC is 14.60 and the high of the day is 14.63. So we're kind of like right by the high on AMC today. Let's check the 1 minute charts and see what's going on here. Wow, look at that climb. Look at that climb. It's looking beautiful. Let's look at GME. 1 minute chart. Beautiful. Look at that climb. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Let's look at the 5 minutes for AMC. Look at that. That is beautiful. Here we go. Coming back up. This was a place where everybody could have bought. And come back up. AMC is on fire today. Yes, it is. It's absolutely gorgeous today. As I told you before, I watched a lot of Uncle Bruce and Pill. I sold AMC because of Uncle Bruce's advice and totally bought into the whole they don't own the buildings, movie, etc. Can you give opinions of its future? I don't like to. Okay. Well, if you're asking for my opinion, I think it's great for the squeeze potential. I just don't know about like long term after the fact. They would have to do a lot of restructuring, pay the debt down, lots of different things to make it more successful. Yeah, they don't own the buildings. They don't really own anything. So I don't know. I don't really have an opinion. But for the squeeze potential, it's definitely there. Just after that, I'm not sure. GME, some SPACs, big on NIO and pharma. Oh my God, I used to love NIO until I got burned way too many times with NIO, but let's check it out. I haven't seen NIO in a while. What's it at? Oh, and actually, it's not bad. $37. $37.30. NIO. Let's see. NIO is coming up because Tesla's coming up. But yeah, it's looking pretty good today. I can't even remember what price I was buying in at. I think like, I don't know. Let me go check. I don't even know what account that was, to be honest. Yeah, I think I was buying in NIO in the $20 range or whatever, but it was like during that time where it wasn't like moving at all. But NIO looks good today. It looks good today because of Tesla, though, because Tesla looks good today. Let's look at Tesla. Oh, it was looking good, but it's at 611. It's not bad. Tesla, it's TSLA. Tesla was at 603 and the high is 613, so I guess it's not looking that great, but not bad either. At least it's coming up instead of down. So yeah, hold on. Let me put this back on AMC real quick. Let me check GME. Oh, GME's at 189. Let me see this real quick. Wow, look at those beautiful candles climbing up. 190.78 on GameStop. 191. Whoa. All right, today's looking great. Today's gonna be a great day. You know what sucks is I have a doctor's appointment at some point today. I'm gonna be really annoyed. So I'm gonna be watching this. Argo block. What's Argo block? Rick, are you still here? Dude, today is going to be a fantastic day. I just bought some contracts for GameStop and for AMC. As y'all know, I like to buy them when it's already popping. I'm already banking on both of them. especially the GameStop one though. Okay, just making sure. So today, do you guys want to see anything else other than AMC and GME? Let me check out NIO again real quick. NIO is looking really healthy today. See what their high of the day was. NIO's range of the day was 35.90 was the low, and the high is 37.58. We're approaching the high on NIO today. Let's look at the 1 minute candles on it. Not bad. Got some consolidation here, so see where it goes. AMC, not bad today. So the 1 minute, let's see what the 5 minutes. Okay, it's okay. So the low of the day for AMC was 13.55 and the high is 14.63, and we're trading right now around the 428, 429 range. Very healthy. GME, GME, The high was 191 and the low was 181, and we're trading around 187. So it's up 4.3% today so far. AMC's up 3.8% today. So they're both very, very, very healthy and looking great. AMC. I like to zoom in on these. Like, we could really see what's happening. It's your show. I'll watch whatever you think is interesting. Oh God, don't trust me on that because I don't know what's interesting or not at all. I'm just gonna sit here and talk and watch this because this is what I do basically all day. Well, I have literally all my money trapped in here. So AMC and GME today, thumbs up. Yes, AMC and GME today look absolutely gorgeous. Bitcoin mining company, which one? I used to be invested in a couple of them. SOS, GWAC, which is turning into Cyprexa, I believe. GWAC is a SPAC, I think, that is turning into CYXTERY, CYXTER or something like that. Cyxtera. Yeah, Cyxtera. I don't know if I'm spelling that right. Oh, I forgot. Y'all can't see my screen unless I share it with y'all, but it don't matter. So yeah. Good morning, Trex. Thanks for coming, y'all. I do want to go check my account. I bought some GME calls and some AMC calls as well. They went down a little bit since I bought them, but that's okay. Because I bought what did I buy? I bought expiration 618 for both of them, so I'm gonna hold on to them for a while. I'm gonna be adding more soon. 1428. Bitcoin's looking bad. Lower highs and lower lows. Uh-oh. That means good for us. But I do have some little tiny bit of Dogecoin left. Oh, my Dogecoin's perfect. Oh, why am I not signed into this? That's scary. I broke my phone, y'all. I don't know if y'all heard all that yet. But I dropped my phone in the toilet 2 days ago. And every single day, it just keeps getting worse. And I have like a replacement in with Apple, but still not here yet. So I'm hoping my phone doesn't die before I get it. Argo blockchain. Okay, I'll look. Argo. I've never even heard of that. YELA. Most crypto is scary lately. Not sure what's going to happen with it. Like more countries banning it, but I do stand behind Helium coin because of their project with RF signals. Never heard of that one either. What I will say about crypto though is we do know that Wall Street hedges their whole portfolio pretty much on crypto, so that could be a good reason why it's dropping. That's of course a speculation and nothing more than a speculation. I guess I should also say anything said here is not financial advice. I'm definitely not a financial advisor. So yeah. Always just listen to information and then do your own due diligence on it. Dogecoin's at 34 cents. Bitcoin, ooh, Bitcoin's not looking great. It's at 37,696. People keep buying that dip though, so we'll see what happens to that. I mean, there's only so much money that can keep going into it, so we'll see. Did you guys see that the US is trying to make a digital dollar? That makes me worry about crypto, only because one, I feel like there's going to be new regulations and they're going to try to make it a centralized thing. Yeah, crypto is scary. Stay away for now. Yeah, I agree. I did buy the dip on Doge, but at this point, I'm just trading it. Like I'm day trading it. I think I might actually cash out now since it seems to have reached the high. But I'm almost going to be completely out of crypto here soon. I'm worried about it. I have a friend of mine that shorts crypto, like shorted Bitcoin, and he ended up getting caught up at one point. I've never shorted anything, so what's this? Damn, I hope we get back up to that high. GME. Oh yeah, we're at 185.67 on GME right now. 186. Sorry, I have hiccups now all of a sudden. AMC. Oops. AMC's looking pretty healthy too. 1428. I feel like we're probably gonna stay around the I don't know what's gonna happen, but probably around this day range. Hopefully it goes above it. Let's see. Hold on. GME. We'll probably stay around this day range too. 186, 789. Yeah, about $5. It's up 3.45%. AMC's up 3.95%, 4%. So we'll see what happens here. All right, so these are the most active across the market over here on this side. NIO's in that list. NIO's doing really well today. Check out those charts. NIO's up, bordering $40. I know that there's a huge ass wall at $40 because I remember back a while ago I was invested in this at around like $40. So I'm sure there's a big ass wall there. Gotta find out though. Let's find out. Oh, I'm in the wrong chart. Daily. So let's see. Oops, modify. All right. So there's resistance at 36.94. Short term support at 33.46. Resistance at 41.22. Support at 14.05. And then long term support at 320. Resistance at 41.22. It won't go to 320 unless some short decides to shit on NIO again. Support. Yeah, so support is at 33.46, short term for NIO. So it's looking really healthy. Resistance at 36.94, and it's at 37.22. So it's looking really healthy today. Let's look at AMC. Oops. What the heck? Okay, there we go. Daily. Let's see. Support at 979. Resistance at 1403 on AMC. Intermediate term 415 support. Resistance 1403. Resistance 1403. So resistance at 14 on AMC still. Let's see what it's at right now. AMC 1424. And then let's look at GME. Oops. Daily chart. Okay. Modify. All right, so we got support at 170.33 and resistance at 180.67. So tired of that 180 resistance. Oh no. What is happening? What the heck? Okay. Here we go. All right, let's see what we said. Yes, crypto's scary. I stay away from Doge. It seems like a pump and dump, and Doge has no projects backing like the rest of the crypto coins. Yeah. It probably is. Just gotta, yeah. I think all crypto pretty much is. Although there are legitimate cryptos. Yeah. I don't know. I do see potential with Doge if Elon Musk is actually able to change the things that he wants to change about it. It could be promising. We'll see. But either way, yeah. I mean, I'd buy low, get out high, rinse and repeat. Unless I know it's going to skyrocket, then I hold. I don't have a lot right now because it's so uncertain. I'm scared. I'm scared. I only have like, I don't know, $200 or something in it. Nothing important. What up, homie? Did you get? Yes, I did get your pictures. I don't know what I was looking at. That was the thing. That's what I was asking you. I can show them on here. Federal Reserve repo hit 395 billion yesterday. Wow. Not surprising. Here comes our market crash. If Bitcoin hits 25,000, I'll invest more into it. Dude, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit 9,000. If it hits 9,000, I'm going all in. Back during Corona, it was in 9,000, and oh my God, I had so much money in it. And then I got sick of being patient, and I got out, and I sincerely regret it. It was the biggest mistake in my life. Because if I would have left it in there, then I would have had a shit ton of fucking money. If Bitcoin, but it's all good. Okay, hold on. Let me show the pictures he sent real quick because I'm not positive what they are, so he can explain them. They have to do with AMC. I've seen that. I just don't understand the significance behind them. Oh, wait. He sent another one. Other ones that I didn't see. Hold on. Let me show. How do I show my screen again? I forget. Okay, screen. Chrome tab, inbox, share. Okay. All right, so here's one that he shared. I don't know what the significance of this is. But it's saying that Alliance Bernstein LP has filed a 13F HR form disclosing ownership of 455,673 shares of AMC, with total holdings valued at $4,652,000 US dollars as of March 31st, 2021. The previous disclosure said they only had 10,300 shares, so they upped their position. I don't know who they are, though. I don't know. Why are these people significant to us? Alliance Bernstein LP. Why is that significant? Oh, I'm stupid. I just realized you can't see this again. Hold on. Yeah, why is this significant? I go into crypto if I see it start to get accepted. I don't trust Elon Musk. He buys low and hypes it up. Then we buy, price goes up, and he sells, leaving most of us holding bag. But that's just my opinion, not fact. Yeah, I don't think he sold. I think that yeah, he does use Twitter to pump things, but so does everybody else. Yeah, I don't know why this is significant, though. I mean, it's not a lot. And here's the other screenshot. AMC, this reminder that this is a short squeeze, not a one-day event. And then it goes through the events in which GME went. And during this time, too, like during GME, this was all just literally people buying in. And then eventually it hit a gamma squeeze. Oops. Yeah, so I don't know. You don't know what the significance is of this. Are you still in here? That's Nancy Pelosi and Paul Pelosi shares that they bought in AMC. Ah, that's why it's significant. Ah, that's interesting. That is very, 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 very interesting. I knew there had to be a reason. That is very interesting, actually. All right, let me look up their. What was that place called again? Hold on. It was called Alliance Bernstein LP. Alliance. Oops. Let's see what else they're invested in. Alliance Bernstein LP. Okay. See if I could see what else they're invested in. 13F. All right. Damn, they have 618.5 billion in securities. Okay, let's see. All right, here, I'm going to share this screen real quick. Oops. Okay, I want to screen window. Now I got to go here. Show this in the stream. All right. So this is interesting. Can you guys see this? Hold on. Paul, I did hear about that a couple weeks ago. And you know when Nancy Pelosi invests in something, she doesn't lose. or it could be bad for us. That's true. She likes to cheat. Did y'all see what she did with Microsoft? That was some insider ass trading, if you ask me. She's invested in a lot. Just came by to say hi. AMC and GME to the moon. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks for stopping by. That's really interesting, though. So let's go see. Obviously, she has a lot of Microsoft still. Top buys. I just want to see if she has anything worth looking into. Interesting. That we don't expect her to have. QCOM. Those are all normal. Let's go to page 2. It is very interesting that she bought AMC. That must mean she knows something's about to go down. Burke B, Bank of America. Oh, damn, she has a lot of holdings. I wonder if I could search. Nope. See if there's any new. Damn, she has a lot of new too. What is weird though is that's not a lot of holdings for AMC, but it is interesting that she bought in it to begin with. It must mean she's willing to take a little bit of a risk. Do you know when she made that position? Yeah, I don't know. Wow. Her portfolio is looking pretty nice. She was almost outperforming the S&P. Interesting. Okay, let's read these comments. She's invested in a lot. Yes. She made 22 billion off of Tesla before they squeezed also. Yeah, she fucking How much did she buy again? I want to be able to physically see it. I don't know when she bought it. Do you know when she bought it, Paul? Oops. $14.29 on AMC. Oops. $85.70 on Gamestop. 1463 is the high for at least a couple weeks ago. Huh. Interesting. So then, I don't know. I'd have to say that who bought AMC when? I was wondering when Nancy Pelosi bought it because she bought it like 2 Fridays ago. Interesting. Where can you look up on FINRA? You can look it up on FINRA. That's where I found it. Okay. Alliance, Springsteen LP. Hold on. $4.29. It's not what I'm looking for. It's interesting that she has ADT. They have a meeting coming up. You know what's funny is ADT was my free like stock on Webull, and like whenever I was on Robinhood, my free stock was GE. I never sold it, I just kept it, and it ended up like I got it, I think at like $5 or $6, and then it ended up going to like 15 or something by the time I actually finally cashed it out. ADT is my free stock on Webull. Let me see what they gave it to me at. Webull. I still have it. I just keep it. They gave it to me at $7.74, and it's at $10.39. I have to say the free stocks are always like really good. They always grow really well. So if you're looking for a slow, long-term gain, that might be one. Okay, I was looking to see if she has AMC, ABC. I don't see AMC in here. Let me know if y'all see it. Can y'all see this screen? No, you can't. Beginning of May or earlier. Anyone watch Supersonic yesterday? Yes, I did. We did. It was great, but I'm really sad that they didn't get to ask the questions. I'm hoping that they at least like do a video or bring her back or something to ask those questions, because I think they were really good questions. But I love Lucy Combsar. I think she's an amazing journalist. I used to read a lot of her work a long time ago. Doesn't matter. Something big is coming for us, and it's going to be great. Absolutely. Completely agree with that. It's definitely coming. There is no stopping this. I mean, there's no stopping this. I don't remember who said it in the chat, but someone said that they sold their AMC because Uncle Bruce told them to. Like I said, I wouldn't take financial advice from anyone, only because, Bruce never looked into AMC at all, like ever looked into the DD to see if they do have short shares and whatnot. To be honest, I haven't looked into all of AMC either. I used to follow it a long time ago, and I can say a long time ago, like back in January-ish, it was definitely set up for one. I can't tell you if it is right now, but I do think that it is. I don't think that much changed. There was no way that from January to now that they could have covered all those shares. So I'm going to go ahead and say that it's definitely still on. because yeah, it was literally impossible for them to be able to cover those shares. Oh, what am I doing? I didn't want to do that. What's 525? That was yesterday. Let's look at this real quick. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. AMC Entertainment praises Wanda's near decade-long ownership of industry-leading movie theater company. I wonder who the new ownership is going to be. AMC, the world's largest operator of movie theaters, announced today that its heretofore largest shareholder, the Wonder Group, has sold this week's most of its remaining share in the movie theater company. The shares were all sold through normal open market trading to a widely dispersed array of buyers on the New York Stock Exchange. Wonder acquired all of AMC in 2012, and the company took the company public through a 2013 IPO, while still retaining a majority of AMC's total outstanding shares. At last count, AMC had more than 3 million individual shareholders, with no single entity having an ownership stake above 10%. That's great. Commenting on this development, AMC CEO and Adam Aron said that Wanda has been a terrific shareholder, blah, 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 blah. So really nothing great. Yeah, nothing fantastic there. Okay, let's check GME real quick, make sure there's nothing crazy going on. I like surprises. I don't know if y'all know that, but I do not like surprises. Oops, specialized disclosure. About what? All right. Conflict Minerals reporting period January 1st to December 31st. We've made statements in this conflict minerals report that may constitute forward-looking statements and our plans to take additional actions or to implement additional policies or procedures with respect to our due diligence efforts to determine the origin of certain minerals contained in our products. We undertake no obligation to publicly update or revise any forward-looking statement, whether it's a result of new information, future events, or otherwise. Our reporting obligations under the conflict mineral rules may change in the future, and our ability to implement certain processes or obtain information from our suppliers may differ materially from those anticipated or implied in the report. This conflict minerals report for the reporting period, blah, blah, blah. All right. To implement reporting and disclosure requirements related to certain minerals as directed by the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act of 2010. The minerals covered by the conflict minerals rule are cassiterite, blah, 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 and gold, blah, blah, blah. I don't understand what this is for. Okay. GeekNet, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is something to do with their product development. Okay, it says, while we do contract to have certain products manufactured for us by our suppliers, we are several levels removed from the actual mining conflict minerals. Gamestop does not make purchases of raw or unrefined conflict minerals. It makes no purchases in the covered countries. Okay, so this is literally not even important. interesting. Okay. 4:30, I already seen that. Okay. We're up to date. I guess we could check out NIO real quick, make sure there's no surprises. 524. Okay, so NIO announces renewal of joint manufacturing arrangement. So that might be why it's going up. NIO is a pioneer leader, blah, 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 blah. Today that it announced that it entered into a manufacturing agreement with, I'm not going to pronounce that, Automobile Group, or JAC Technologies. So they're partnering with somebody. And then it says state-owned automobile manufacturer in China that currently manufactures the NIO vehicles and delivery, blah, blah, blah. The manufacturing plant designed and constructed for NIO vehicles. And NIO holds 49% equity interests. So that's good. They got better manufacturing, cheaper manufacturing too. So that's probably why it's going up. Anybody want me to check anything else? Show that Kenny G portfolio. Shit, there's so many different subsidiaries of Citadel. Like Citadel Advisors. All right, so I don't know if you guys were here yesterday and heard, but I found it really odd that Citadel started buying BlackRock and Citadel also started buying AMC. And that's worries me. So I need to find out like Citadel Advisors LLC. I gotta find their like, obviously they don't have a ticker, but like, here we go. SEC. Oh, report. Okay, hold on. I'll just do this. Come over here and go boom. All right, Citadel. Oh, I forgot y'all can't see it. My bad. All right, Citadel. All right, so this is Citadel Advisors LLC. These are the ones that bought AMC and they're buying BlackRock, and that makes me nervous. So let's see. Okay, well, there's a lot of 524s, which were yesterday, so let's start here. All right, so let's see. Citadel Advisors, blah, blah, blah. They have a lot of voting power. Damn, look at how much voting power fucking Kenneth got. 1.9 million shares. Next Gen Acquisition Corporation. And also, look at all these fucking subsidiaries of fucking Citadel there are. Holy yo. There's a million of them, by the way. This is not important. I don't care about this. Looks like they're Switch back to corporation. This first switch back to corporations. So they're acquiring all these. Interesting. What's the other one for? Now what they're acquiring. Centricus. I don't know what this is. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a fucking, just one of those blank check thingies. I don't think it has like a, it's not merging with anything yet. Huh. Interesting. All right. It doesn't matter. Something big is coming for us and it's going to be great. Absolutely. Show that Kenny G portfolio. Kenny G is heavily invested in Facebook, Microsoft, AMC. Oh no. AMC looking sexy. Yes, it is. 1468. Jack to the tits. Absolutely. Testing 1450 again. Yeah, there's big ass resistance around 1460, I think, is what we've seen earlier. I've been holding AMC since November, so I have no problem waiting until this December for the squeeze because of the big tax break. Dude, I think everyone keeps focusing too much. I agree with that, but I think that everyone's trying to focus way too much on when it's going to squeeze. Like, be patient. Rome wasn't built in one day. But I do have to say, I think we're hella close. Not a lot of resistance on AMC now. No, they're trying to build a new wall. Don't worry. They're going to keep trying to build a wall until they fucking literally can't anymore. I don't know. I've been seeing, it looks like the SEC is about to start cracking down on shit, so we'll see what happens. You know, it's really weird. I know why I look weird is because this camera flips me. Because this side of me is on this side, so that's why I look fucking weird. It flips like my whole face. Anyway, okay. Not a lot of resistance on AMC now. I kind of believe AMC is going to the rocket first because of the money hedgies are losing daily. I think that, yeah, I don't know who's going first, but I just think that they're both going to pop eventually. I don't know when, but I'm excited. I think right now, it's definitely not popping. Right now, this is just people buying in. This is what happened with GameStop, y'all. If you remember, everyone just started buying in, and then eventually we reached their max pain point, and then boom. I think we got a long way to go on GameStop to reach max pain, but I think AMC's really, really close. Max pain, well, I don't know when max pain is going to be, but I think $20. I remember it being at like $20 or whatever. So I think that that's probably a really great spot to be. I think that might be where it starts. If it gets to $20 and then it starts, and it keeps going up from there, it's over. It's fucking over. They're going to freak out and panic because all of the institutional investors, like, well, not all of them, but that big one, Wanda, she's gone. So there is no saving them now. I mean, if that was their intention, was to bully Wanda into them selling, which is what I think happened. I think the Citadel bullied Wanda into selling. If you go look, right as Wanda was selling, Citadel was picking up, and then Citadel also invested into Wanda. So I'm sure there was some kind of deal there made, like, hey, if you sell me your shares, I'll save you in China or whatever the fuck is going on. You know what I'm saying? I think something funky's going on there. Citadel basically owns everybody. I mean, when you have a shit ton of money, you have a shit ton of power. In addition to that, they are a market maker. So I'm going to go ahead and say they probably bullied them somehow into doing that or not. I mean, Wanda's been selling literally since January, so it really isn't a surprise to me that they sold off most of their position. To be honest, I think it's a good thing. But there can also be, I guess, like the bear thesis would be institutional investors are leaving. That means it's going down. Could be. I mean, it's really just a toss-up. I don't know. I guess it's based on what you believe in. I just keep watching, and I'm sorry, but right now I'm watching and it's going up. So, I mean, it's at $14.71. It's about to reach $15. I think that we're at a new high, right? Is this a new high? $14.92 is the new high. That's definitely a new high because it wasn't like that last time I looked. So $14.92, it looks like we're going to be hitting $15 maybe today. So we're going to see what happens here. I'm just going to go ahead and say, I mean, it's not going down. It's going up. GameStop's at 192. GameStop's going up too. So GameStop's up 6.99%. AMC's up 7.5%. They're both doing freaking fantastic today. And you know what's really funny is if you look at all the really heavily shorted stocks, they're the ones that are always trending up. Like when AMC and GameStop are going up, so are all the other heavily stocks like NIO, Ride, OCGN, a bunch of like different overly heavily shorted stocks are all going up all at the same time. So that's really interesting to me. GME hit 200 today. Did it? I missed it. Hold on. GME. It doesn't say it hit 200 for me yet. It says the high was 194.49. So getting there. I'm excited. I hope that it, well, first of all, I hope it goes way past 200 and stays there. I would feel comfortable if we stayed around the 225 range. I liked it there. I miss it there. So I'm looking forward to it staying around there. I would be completely fine with it just chilling there forever if that's what it wanted to do. I'm cool with that. Yeah, on mine it doesn't say it hit 200. I don't know. It says my high is 195 something or something like that. Forget already. The high was 194.49. We're at 193, so I have a feeling we're going to be hitting a new high here soon. Let's look at AMC. AMC is at 1471. The high was 1492. I'm sure we're going to be hitting a new high on there today too soon. I mean, like, look at these candles, guys. These are gorgeous. Let's zoom in on these. Oops. Look at these. Those are the 5 minutes. Let's look at the 1 minute candles so you can see exactly what's happening. Look at that. Look at this gorgeous climb. I mean, look how beautiful this is. And then look, there's 2 touch points. Boom, 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 boom. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's just, I mean, look at that healthy climb. It's just, it's gorgeous. Let's look at GME real quick. Healthy climb is so pretty. Look at that beautiful healthy climb. Same thing, 2 touch points. You know what's so funny is look at this. This is GME, right? Look at AMC. Why do they look the same? They look the same. Look at that beautiful climb. I mean, AMC's climb is just so gorgeous. Like, look at that. It's like literally perfect. AMC's volume's insane. Fucking 50 million. Holy shit. 51 million. Look at how fast it's going. I don't know, guys. It's only 10:30 and we're at 50 million. That's a lot. I don't know. It might be starting. 50 million. 51 already. Almost 52. Look, it's been like 3 seconds since I last said that, and we're moving like a million shares in a couple seconds. Come on. And it's already at 51 million and it's fucking 10:30 in the morning. Market's been open for an hour. I want to see GME hit 500 again too. I want to see GME hit 2,000. I want to see GME hit 60,000. I don't give a shit what it hits. I'm just saying if it chilled around 200, 225, I wouldn't be mad. They've been the same since January, I think. What's been the same since January? AMC is looking fucking gorgeous. 1485. Look at GME. Oops. 191.50. So we're getting right back up there. 191. I like it there too. Could you imagine if I listened to the people that told me to sell GME, sell AMC? That's why we don't listen to YouTubers, guys. You notice crypto has been moving all the same too. Yep. I think, like I said, I think that, because if you look at the trend, right, when crypto started to tank, right, on that Thursday, we had that liquidity check, right? Well, then the next day, Friday, is when crypto started going down. I mean, to me, it looked like they had to, make some liquidity in the market. So in order to do that, they had to sell off positions in crypto in order, to put it in the market so that, they didn't get margin called. That's what I think. Obviously, that's a speculation. It's not fact. I have no kind of anything to prove that. I'm just saying, like, that's what the trend looks like to me. What do you guys think? Because I see a lot of people blaming Elon Musk and the timing of his tweets. Yeah, his tweets are perfectly timed, I have to say, but I don't think that he's the reason it tanked, and I don't think he's the reason it's going up either. I just think it's a coincidence. I'm sure some people, got out because of him, but the majority, I mean, can you think about how much money it takes to move Bitcoin? Like trillions. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm sure Elon bought that dip, though. There's no way he didn't buy that dip. I would have bought the dip if I was Elon and I had all that money. Man, AMC is looking beautiful. Gamestop's looking beautiful today. Today is going to be a great day. Oh, I should tell y'all, tomorrow is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Wednesday, I have to go get my car inspected and fixed because there's something wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it squeals when I accelerate. I'm assuming it's that stupid serpentine belt again. Or like some kind of fan belt or something. I don't know what it is. But anyway, I got to get my car fixed, so I might not be on Wednesday until maybe after hours, or even maybe not at all. But I might try and pop on in the morning before I go. But I have to go at 9 o'clock, so I doubt it. But I'll get on whenever I get back home because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so it won't let me use my phone to go live. I have to use my laptop. There's still so many who wants to invest in crypto. Yeah, I'm waiting. Honestly, I wanted to buy that the Bitcoin dip, but I knew it was going to keep dipping. Because if my thoughts were correct about the market and the crypto, then it would have kept dipping. And considering it keeps dipping, I think that I'm still right. So I'm not investing it until, I guess I'm waiting to see what happens because I don't know. If y'all looked into the Michael Burry thing, y'all seen how Michael Burry shorted Tesla and then also bought like a bunch of puts, right? Well, the reason why he did that is because of the margin debt, and he's basically betting on a market crash, which I actually agree with him. I think that it's going to. I don't think Tesla's going to go to zero by any means, but I do think that it's going to fall probably a good 70%, 60% maybe. Eventually, not right now, but whenever this all happens, I think he's just really early. I was thinking, I don't know, my original thought was the middle of 2022, but now I'm starting to think it might be a little bit earlier than that, maybe like beginning of 2022. In case you haven't realized, the Fed keeps doing basically whatever they can to try and stop it. But every move that they're making to try and stop it, I feel like it's just making it worse. So I guess we'll see what happens here. I do think that there's going to be some kind of crash though. And I don't know how they can really get out of it. So I guess we'll see what happens. But I'm sure that they're going to find some way to cheat and lie and steal because that's what they do. So we'll see how that happens. Let's look at the GME chart real quick. You guys want to look at any other stocks besides AMC and GME today? NIO is at 36.50 or 36.47. It's up 60 cents on the day. Let's look at their high today. And oops. The high was 37.64. Let's look at Tesla. So I looked at Tesla. Oh, it went back down. I'm glad I sold that shit. I had to sell. I bought Tesla the other day when it was in the 500s. Only because I didn't have any options or anything, and that was my portfolio that I have options in. So I just wanted to put it in something and see. And if it would have turned into a long-term hold, that would have been fine with me. But it didn't. I ended up making money on it, so I sold it this morning so I could buy some options in AMC and GME because it was the portfolio that I have my options in. So yeah. I hate the way this computer makes me look, but that's okay. He shorted a lot on Tesla. Yeah, he did that because it's a high PE stock, and those are going to be the ones that are going to get hit the hardest during a crash. So like Amazon, Tesla, Gamestop if it wasn't negative beta. But GameStop's not going to get hit because it's negative beta. He did short a lot on Tesla. You know what? Have y'all seen The Big Short? Because I bought the movie and I own it on Amazon and I watch it probably twice a week just to get me hyped. It's a good movie. And Margin Call. Did y'all see that one? That one's pretty good too. But The Big Short's about Michael Burry and his strategy. I mean, if you look at what he did back then, I mean, this motherfucker was willing to put everybody's money at risk for his bet. He was early. He was willing to lose millions and billions of dollars while still betting on his bet, and he ended up winning in the end. Unfortunately, Goldman Sachs was involved as well, so he didn't get as much as he should have. But yeah. Man, today is going to be such a beautiful day. Yeah, let's see. Let's change this back to AMC. AMC's at 1488, 1486. AMC. It's pushing towards the high of the day. The high of the day for AMC was 1496. So if you look here, we're climbing back up. These are the 1 minute candles. Let's look at the 5 minutes. 5 minutes are probably really super gorgeous. Yeah, they are. Look at that. 5 minute candles are looking beautiful. Let's zoom in on these real quick. Oops. Hate when that happens. Doo-doo. Look at this. Those are the 5 minute candles. Let's look at the 1 minutes. Look at that. Look at this beautiful climb. I mean, so here's the top of the peak here. So we're going to be reaching it real shortly here. I think that we're going to hit a new high here today in a little bit. Hopefully 1496 is the high. So we're going to keep our eye on this. Let's see what GME's high is. GME's high is 194. It's at 193. So same thing. We're pushing against the high. See, isn't that funny how on both stocks at the same exact time, we're always pushing the same thing? Like they consolidate at the same time. They go up at the same time. It's really interesting for people to say that the stocks are not interlooped together, because they definitely are. Did you see the inside job? Dude, I found it on YouTube and it didn't work. Like the link that I found, it didn't work. So I'm going to have to find it on something else and buy it to watch it. I wanted to see that movie Hummingbird. I never seen that movie. But I'm trying to look for it. And what sucks is it's not here in the US, and I don't know why it's not. And it's driving me nuts. Let me look this up again. Inside job. Yeah, I think I can buy it. See if it... Oh, it says you could watch it with Prime. I have Prime. Okay, so hold on. Let me go to Amazon. Amazon.com. Amazon Prime. Let's go to Inside Job. Inside Job. If it's on, yeah, I could watch it on Prime. I could rent it for $2.99. So we'll watch it on Prime. When do you guys want to watch this? I figure we could just watch it all together. It has Matt Damon in it. Jason Statham. Oh, is that not the same one? Hold on, let me share the screen. Tell me if this is the right one. Is this the right one right here? With Matt Damon, directed by Charles Ferguson. Where are you? Trex, is this the right one? Oh, I'm stupid. I didn't even show it to you. Hold on. Is this the right one? Inside Job on YouTube works for me. Can you put the link in the chat? See if it works on my computer. Yeah, can you put the link in the chat for me? The movie is called Inside Job. I'll read the thing for it. It says, hold on. It says the Academy Award winner for Best Documentary. Inside Job, directed by Charles Ferguson, shows that the 2008 global financial Armageddon was no accident. It was predicted and could have been prevented. This compelling, serious, easy-to-follow film will make you want to raise your voice and declare enough. And that's just like this market crash that's about to happen. It was totally preventable. It is totally preventable. I mean, if we all know about it, then obviously it's preventable. I think that they're doing whatever they can to try to prevent it, but everything that they're doing is making it worse. But here's the... I don't know why I can't hear anything on my stupid laptop. What is happening? It's so weird because it was working. After I got off of here yesterday, it was working, and I don't know why now it's not. Hold on a sec. This is the trailer for it. I can't hear shit. Can you all hear it? Update your lag. What does that mean? Ashley, Google YouTube stream delay and how to lower your stream delay. How to lower stream delay. YouTube.
Come to us today telling us we're sorry, we won't do it again. Trust us. Well, I have some people in my constituency that actually robbed some of your banks. And they say the same thing.
It looks like it's going to be such a good movie.
I never heard him. Turn this off for a second.
But yeah, that's Inside Job. So I'll watch that today. Actually, Google YouTube stream delay. Yeah, I know the sound sucks. I think I need to buy computer speakers or something. Because I don't know why my speakers on my computer aren't working. They're not working properly. And I don't know what happened. Like, I didn't drop it or anything, so I don't know what's wrong with it. It works. Oh. I just realized I'm showing this.